Ready?
Yes.
Go. $15 in.
Am I clicking chat?
$30 in.
Am I clicking chat? Oh no. Am I clicking chat? Am I clicking chat? Done.
Can we see all sides? Oh my gosh. How many? 54.
Welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories, and I'm like, guys, sikhuluma ke ngo-Enhle Mbali and her son. Guys, you know, le puzzle le ngane kade yenza kule video le. I thought it was a scam. I thought ayenzeki vele, there is no way ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi uyishifte kuze kuqonda nama colors. I know ukuthi mangabe uyithenga esitolo uyithenga ama colors lawa eqondene, u-red, u-white, ku-white, if there is like all the colors asuke on the same space or same place. So guys, as you see ke ukuthi ke ingane ka Enhle Mbali Mlotshwa beno Black Coffee uyenzile challenge for 52 minutes, and I don't think ukuthi ukhona omunye umuntu okwazi ukwenza le yanto. I was just reading the comments, guys. Omunye uthe, oh, so amazing actually, uthe, oh, I can beat that time. I can do in 53 weeks, and I agree with him. Maybe futhi nakhona angagcine engayenzanga. Uthike omunye, today marked exactly 18 years since I started trying to solve this puzzle. I surrender. Akasolva mathatha a relationship yaka fast ayangawasolva ngampela futhi. Wathi omunye, never solve this my whole life. No ways. 54 seconds. What a superstar. Ngaze ngayiyeka lento. I thought it was a scam. Mina nani uChabi Shem, we are just same WhatsApp group. Nami ngangithi mhlambe scam vele ayenzeki. And this morning I was showing my daughter, and she was like, I remember, guys, I bought my daughter this puzzle and my nephew. I tell you, ingaqondani mhlawumbe uthi uqondana iside liyi-1 kusho ukuthi suke kuyenzeka iqondana iside liyi-1 but the other side ingahlangani. So mase ngifika how this other time hayibo ingane seziyenzile ama-colors onke aqondene, mase ngiya-check they have just bayihlephulile bayibuyisela like ngendlela yama-colors ayo. But nje guys, I never thought ukuthi lento le possible. Uthike omunye, also asks, but curiosity demands we ascertained what was being chewed behind the camera. Yo guys, I just tell me on the comment section ukuthi uyazi le puzzle wakwayizama wayithola right yini wena, or ukhona umuntu omazi uye wayithinta. Omunye uthe namhlanje kuseni wathi lento ye-puzzle ayikho, it's a scam, you don't know ukuthi ngekhathi berekhoda benzini. I'm like, you need to agree ukuthi it's possible, just that asiyazi sonke. But I just wish ukuthi ngingakwazi ukuyifunda ukuthi yenziwa kanjani, because guys, ayibo ngayizama nami ngayizama, but ngabona into eyingane angeke ngikwazi ukuyenza. But anyway guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.